Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. You need to begin by going into Themes app and selecting text styles at the top. Now you can click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. Select one of those styles over here, or click on one of those options like free. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, just click on the best font style for you. Tap on free download, at the bottom. Wait a couple of seconds and hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my text has changed. If you wish to go back to your default style, you can do that by accessing the same Themes app, but this time selecting Me at the bottom right corner. Tapping on the text style section and selecting the default one at the top. To go back to it, just hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!